Windows 11 24H2 ISO download. Here's the good news for you guys, like Microsoft launched Windows 11 version 24S2 ISO 5, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download that version. And after that you can be able to install it or upgrade to Windows 11 version 24S2. So let me tell you, this is currently available in Insider Preview. Go to the description link, which I'll be mentioning in the description. Open up your browser and then you can go and copy paste the link that you have in the description. So once you go into the link, you need to simply go for sign in and sign in with your Microsoft account. So once you've logged in, what you need to do is simply scroll down and go for I accept the terms of this agreement. Click on register now. So once you're here under the Windows Insider Preview downloads, what you need to do is simply scroll a bit down, and once you scroll, you will find an option of select edition. So you need to simply click on the select edition and then you can select the edition. So click on the selected edition. So the edition is available in Canary channel, Wave channel, Beta channel, and everything, right? So Canary is a little bit more buggy and the deep channel is little less buggy. So you can also choose the deep channel. So I'm going to use Canary because it has some interesting features. So just select it and you need to click confirm. So for this, the release is going to be in summer after 3 to 4 months. So just select your product language. Like you need to simply go for the language and then you can choose a language for your product. So I'll be choosing English, and then you need to click on confirm. After that, click on 64-bit download, and now ISO started downloading. And after you click on that, your ISO will start downloading. So this is how you can download the latest Windows 11 24H2 ISO download. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.